Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold down the back seat of a Ram 1500. First, locate the release mechanism, which is typically a small fabric loop or lever behind or beneath the seat. Then, understand how lifting the bottom cushion can aid in releasing the seat back. This process allows you to access valuable storage or create a larger flat cargo area. To release the seat back, you'll often find a small fabric loop or strap located behind the seat cushion, sometimes near the top or side. Reach behind the seat and pull this strap firmly towards the door or center of the truck. This action disengages the latch, allowing the seat back to move. For some models, lifting the bottom seat cushion partially can also help in accessing or releasing the backrest. Confirm the seat is unlocked before proceeding. Once the release mechanism is engaged, gently push the seat back forward. It should pivot down towards the floor, creating a flat surface. Ensure the seat folds completely flat to maximize your cargo space. Before lowering, quickly check for any items that might obstruct the seat's path or get damaged. This creates a versatile flat surface for various needs, from carrying tools to larger items. Folding down your Ram 1500 back seat provides access to convenient underseat storage compartments, perfect for tools or emergency kits. It also transforms your rear cabin into a larger, flat cargo area, ideal for hauling bigger items. To re-engage the seat, simply lift the seat back firmly until it clicks securely into its upright, locked position. Always ensure it's fully latched for safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.